Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a quick and easy, super minimal summer makeup look for you guys. This is the look right here. It's super simple, glowy, and fun, and super refreshing on the face. It's really lightweight and comfortable. I absolutely love this routine of mine for hot summer days. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I have been loving for this summer, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start off, I'm going to prime my face, and to do so, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I like to just take a little bit of this primer on both cheeks like that, and I'll just blend it all over the face, but really concentrating it on my T-zone. So next I'm going in with some color corrector. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Peach Lustre Color Correcting Stick. And I like to just apply a little bit of this under my eyes, a little bit around the mouth just to brighten the area, and just anywhere where I have some dark spots. And then I'll just go in with my fingers and blend this all out. So once I have all of that blended out, next I like to go in with some concealer. So the concealer that I have been loving lately is the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm in the shade 27S. So I basically like taking this product and applying it all over the face wherever I applied color corrector. And this is just gonna help diffuse the color corrector and really even it out and match it with the rest of my face. Then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and blend this all out. With whatever product that I have on my sponge, any excess, I'll just kind of apply that onto the remainder of the face. So on the nose, on the parts of my cheek where I didn't apply any product. And this is just to make sure that everything is nice and blended and my concealer isn't looking patchy on my face. You don't want to have areas where there's concealer and then areas where there's no concealer. You want to make it look seamless. So that's why it's important to just take whatever additional product is on your sponge and just buff it out onto the face. So next I want to go in and plump my lips. I want to get them all nice and juicy and moisturized and ready for the day. And to do so, I love using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. So I'm just going to keep this on my lips for a little bit while I do other parts of my face. And then I'm going to take this off and apply my lip product for the day. So I love doing this step because I feel like it really preps my lips for the day. It really moisturizes my lips and adds life to my lips. You're gonna see my lips grow and look lovely. So I love this product so much. it's amazing. So definitely try this out, you guys. So while my lips are doing its thing, I'm gonna continue with the face, and I wanna do my brows right now. So for brows, I'm just going to brush them out with the Benefit Give Me Brow, and I'm in the shade 04.
Ryan Little.
So next I want to go in and add some color to the face. I'm going to go in with some blush, and for blush I'll be using the Merit Flush Balm in the shade Cheeky. So I'm going to take this product and actually go directly on to the face, just like that. I'm going to add some on the nose, and then I'm going to go in with my finger and blend it out. Alternatively, you can go in with your finger and then add the product onto the face. I love how natural this blush looks once you put it on. It just melts into the skin and it looks like it's your natural face blushing, and I just love how glowy it is as well, and I haven't even gone in with highlighter yet. So I absolutely love this product so much. It's so perfect for summer and a minimalist kind of summer makeup look. So I'm obsessed. If you guys are interested in checking out Merit products for yourself, I will have a link down below in the description box for you guys to check out. So next I want to go in with some highlight, and for highlight I'll be using another Merit product. This is their Day Glow in the shade Citrine. So this actually recently launched, this exact shade called Citrine. So if you guys are interested in checking out this new shade for yourself, again, make sure to check out the link in my description. I'll have it down there for you guys to check out and shop. Look how beautiful this shade is, you guys. I'm so obsessed. It's so nice and glowy and warm. Perfect for the summer. I'm super excited about this. So basically what I like to do is go directly in with the product just like that on both sides of my cheeks. I'll go down my nose a little bit and also Cupid's bow. Just gonna remove a little bit of gloss, apply some on the Cupid's bow as well. And then I'm just going to use my finger and soften this product out. You guys can see how beautiful this highlight is. It's super glowy. It's not super shimmery, but it gives a nice kind of dewy look to the face. I think it's so unique. This product is perfect in achieving that no makeup look that we all desire. So I think it's a great product that you should definitely check out. Next, I'm going to go in with some mascara just to finish up the eyes. And for mascara, I'll be using the MAC Stack Mascara. If you guys have been watching my videos recently, you'll know that I've been obsessed with this product. It is amazing. It makes your lashes look so nice and long, and it gives so much volume. So I'm definitely recommending this to you guys. Try it out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Alright, so eyes are all done. I only applied mascara to my top lashes. I kept the lower lash line clean. So the very last thing I have to do is my lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off the gloss with some tissue because it's all done prepping my lips. You can see my lips look a lot bigger, they're a little bit red, and they're nice and plump. So my lips are ready. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line them. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the lip liner BFF4 by Colourpop, and I'm just going to overdraw my lips slightly with this product. Just gonna blend out the lip liner. And to finish off the lips, I'm gonna go in with some gloss, and I'm actually going in with a super trendy gloss at the moment, and that is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. I am so obsessed with this product, you guys. I have the shade Coconut. This is amazing. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let you guys see how beautifully it performs. So I'm just gonna go ahead in and top up the lips with this. Do you guys see the pigment, the shine, the glow on my lips right now? This product is unreal. You guys definitely need to try this product out. They also have another version of the Maracuja Juicy Lip Glosses, but I believe they're lip plumping ones. I haven't tried that one yet. Maybe I'll get my hands on it and let you guys know what I think, but the original is amazing. Look how beautiful my lips look, you guys. I am obsessed. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out my makeup tutorials playlist and give this video a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. If you guys want to know all of the products that I used today on my face, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!